sweet sound and hear that drag going. First spot of the morning. I'm guessing it's a pike. Hit a great big swim bait. A big heavy jig head. There's a drag going. Definitely a pike. Pretty decent. Come on, let's get a look. Oh, dandy. Son, getting ready to start. There's that old drag going. Looks to be over 30 inches. At first glance. Oh yeah, definitely over 30 inches. Well, let's what do you think? Grab him or net him? Try grabbing him. Well, it was bigger than anything we caught yesterday. Whoa! You don't want to come in yet. Well, that 36-inch pike was the only thing I caught off that point. So I come over here where we were catching walleyes last night, and they're still here. Well, they're all running around 18 inches. That's probably 17. Little fluke. Huh. I think I got a good walleye on here. Maybe not. He was pulling pretty hard at first. Now he's just letting me reel him in. So I guess he ain't huge. Oh, pikaroo. Well, he ain't nearly as big as that first one, but he's decent. Try to get him in. You're gonna break me off. There we go. Got him on a swimming ribster. I'm gonna have to get the jaw splitters. 27 maybe. That last one was 36, about way bigger. I thought I was snagged, but it's a fish. Well, now he's just coming right in. What's the deal? I'm sure I was snagged. Swimming right toward the boat. Oh, son, a big Waldo. That's why I throw lures and not use night crawlers. You don't catch these on night crawlers as much, I don't think. There is a horse. That's what we come for right there. That is a big fish there. On a swim bait. Oof. Oh boy, the lure fell right out. Lucky I got that one in. Look at that nice big fish. Measure her up. Oh, look at that. Measure this beauty up. $27. Look at that nice fish, huh? Should we put her back? I think so. Oh, what a fish. Away she went. I'll let that 27-incher go. A couple casts later. Ooh. Got another decent one. I don't know what it is yet. Another nice, well, he ain't that big. Probably 18-inch walleye. And I'll show you that. There. Good, he got off. Here's that swim bait I caught that. It's a swimming ribster. I thought it was the big one, but it wasn't. It's the swimming ribster. Bunker City. 2 fish and about 5 minutes on it. One big one. Well, finally, something besides bottom feeders and slimers. A good fish. Little 12-inch bass. On the same bait the walleyes are biting on. That ribster, swimming ribster. We'll get him off, put him back. I'm going to eat a sandwich. Just fishing straight down out of the boat while I'm eating the sandwich. I'm not marking anything, but obviously there's fish down there. You got big old walleye again. Another nice one. About 20, 21 maybe. 20 or 21. Keep it on a little fluke. That's my go-to vertical jigging bait. We'll get him off. Come back. Well, just that one I just caught on that little fluke. I just want to measure him up. He is almost 21. And as you can see, you don't need wind, you don't need cloud. You just need to keep throwing them soft plastics up on reefs and shorelines and you'll catch some big fish. Well, moved from my, whoa, moved from my, where I caught that 27-inch walleye. I wanted to fish there this morning, but there was another boat sitting on that thing, so I waited until he left. There we go. Oh, what the heck? He's lassoed, I guess. This one I caught on a ribster, kind of a purple ribster. Another, probably just over being an eater, probably 18. Well, that one made the mistake of biting on my lure, and then it made the mistake of being 17.5 inches. And I decided I wanted some walleye for supper. So you can keep them that big now. And caught another one, They're all biting on that, there's a little bit better one here. They're all biting on that purple ribster. With about a 1/4 ounce jig head. That's probably a 22. Everything up. But, we'll just let them go. It's 21 or 22. Well, this felt like a pretty good fish when I hooked them. Let's see. This will be fish 21. That last one was 21.5 inches, so I was guessing pretty good. Oh, he's going to jump. Must be a pike. Yep. I thought it was going to be a great big walleye because he never made a run. Oh well. The pike today have been pretty good. Whoa! Get away from that trolling motor. 36 inch, 27 inch, and whatever this one turns out to be. No dink pike. Well, he's pretty good. Probably close to 30 inches. Whoa! You don't want to come in either. Man, I thought it was big walleye at first. Yeah, no 30 incher. 26 maybe. Almost got him. Right in. Good thing I got a leader on this one. There we go. Oh, see that? The hook fall right out as soon as I grabbed him. He's maybe 27 again, like that other one was. Back he goes. Turned out to be a pretty good day. Not catching tons of fish, but pretty good quality today. Yesterday we caught about 75, but we only had 2 walleyes over 25 and nothing else at all big. Well, I got a little fussy, so I put on a grubster. It's a lot smaller bait than what I've been using. Another nice walleye. Another 18 incher. We'll get him off and let him. I got my keeper for today. Well, after I caught that last fish, grubster, I made a cast and my line snapped and there went my grubster, so I had to stop for a minute and rig another one up. And as soon as I marked the fish right under the boat, I just dropped it straight down and boom, another eater. Swing him in. I can get away with swinging in eaters on this 4-pound line, but I'll show you that grubster. It's a little, about a 2-inch, maybe a little bit bigger bait, but when they're being picky, put this little eater back. When they're being picky, that little 2-inch, 2.5 maybe, will get them. Keep marking fish under the boat, but they won't bite. If I cast out, they bite. Caught a couple of them. The rest of them, they just come up and look. Whoa! Trying to take pictures at the same time. Not the best idea. Another perfect eater, 17 3/4. Looks like. I'm a grubster still. 5 casts in a row, 5 fish. They're all about the same. All about 18 inches. That last one was exactly 17 3/4. I was just kidding, but I measured them. 17 3/4. So a perfect eater. This one probably a tad too big, but he's about the same. They're all right around 18 inches lately. This is fish 29. Fish 31. I moved a little bit on the reef. Went to a shallower spot. We're biting on that purple ribster again. Feels like a little better one. Oh yeah. So look. Ooh. Some weight. Uh-oh. Tell me we got pike or starting to act pike. Huh? It's a walleye. It's pretty big. What we got? I almost could see him. Oh, big old Waldo. 23 maybe. On that purple. I'm marking some bait. I guess that was that fish coming up and down. Okay, we'll get him off and measured up. where I got him hooked. Like, come here. Just by the skin of it. Let's measure him up. He is 22.5. Nice healthy one. Put her back. I got a good one on now. On the grubster again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the ultralight. I got 4-pound line. Oh man, I hope this ain't a pike. But I'm starting to think it is. I moved again on my reef, big reef, so I just keep moving, trying all kinds of different spots, and it seems like I get a bite right away whenever I move. Oh, let me see this fish. This is a good fish. Going too fast for a walleye. Doggone it. But it's a big pike, I can tell you that. If I ever get to see him, I got no leader and 4-pound line. Do nothing with him. He keeps getting close and away he goes. Yep, pikaroo. He didn't like the boat. I'm back reeling and he's still taking out drag. And of course I bumped the spot lock off. Careful. He's about as big as that one this morning. But, yeah, 8 or 10 pounds anyway.